Model, 2021 Renault Master Business Front-Wheel Drive, LL35 dCi 145 Low Loader Luton Box. Body, white, Luton, box. Mileage, 135,128. MOT, the 21st of January 2025. Engine, 2299 cc 150 hp 6D temp, light duty, front wheel drive. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front wheel drive. Mechanical summary, takes a few more cranks to start than average, head gasket needs replacing, coolant is pressurising. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 0 former keepers, aircon, cruise control, reversing camera, electric windows, parking sensors. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.